iPhone SE 4 concept, renders point towards improved camera features. Rumors have been surrounding about the Apple's next iPhone SE 4 since the release of the iPhone SE 3 from the leading tech tycoon Apple, which made its way out of the box in the first quarter of 2022. Gratefully, recently some concept renders of the impending Apple iPhone SE 4 have come to light thanks to the cooperation between Apple Track and @Concept Central, letting us have a clue of what this smartphone might look and perform like. Considering the leaked renders pertaining to the apparent look of the device, the in-making iPhone SE 4 seems to have taken cues from Apple's second greatest iPhone lineup, the iPhone 14. The renders suggest that the iPhone SE 4 features a 6.1-inch OLED display while also being able to keep with the 120Hz ProMotion technology, meaning that the device would refresh the image on the screen 120 times per second. Although Apple has slightly dropped the size of the notch in its recently manufactured handsets, the upcoming SE 4 is going to retain Apple's customary spatial notch as per the leaked renders. To talk about its back, the concept renders hint at a single sensor employed with a 48-megapixel main camera this time. This single camera sensor swells in order to come at par with the latest models of the iPhone. Among the most significant improvements in the new iPhone SE models is the increased pixel count in the image sensors. Along with that, another prominent change in its design is the adoption of a USB Type-C port at the bottom that resembles with the iPhone 15 lineup. Since the company hasn't officially disclosed information about the iPhone SE 4, these leaked renders hint at a release date in late 2024 or early 2025.